Here at Gigamon, we believe that network traffic is the single source of truth when it comes to analytics and network security. But with the high volume of traffic flowing through your data center nowadays, it's almost impossible to see what really matters. Analyzing all traffic needs so much compute, generates so much noise, that we need to look at a different way of monitoring. Instead of using the raw data, you can use Gigamon to extract the traffic from the network, create metadata and feed it to your SIEM solution for further analysis. This way you can use the most important security indicators by only analyzing a small amount of data. For example, DNS data can be used to detect rogue DNS servers or clients trying to go to machine-generated domain names. Analyzing certificate information for almost expired certificates or suspicious certificates, and HTTP response codes to detect servers who might be compromised with redirects or unavailable servers. Overall, some examples how you can use Gigamon Metadata to boost your security. If you want more information, just look on our website or contact us. Thank you very much.